Hi, it's Megan from WorldCAST, and today I'm going to show you how to add links, videos, and even analytics to your print materials from Canva. To get started, we're going to go to studio.worldcast.io, and we're going to choose the printcast option. This is what's going to bring our prints to life. So we have two payment options here. We're going to get started with the freemium version, but it's only $10 USD a month to upgrade, and we'll talk about some of those upgrades as we go through and build out our augmented reality business card. So I'm going to choose freemium to get started. I'm going to name my project. So business card in this case. And then the next option is, where do we want to pull this design from, this initial design? So because I'm a Canva user, I actually can easily go in and use the Canva integration and just select design on Canva. Once I'm in here, there's a couple different options. I'm going to go with business card. It doesn't really matter which you choose to get into your Canva account, because I'm just going to go down the left-hand side here to folders and all your designs, and this is going to bring up everything that I've been working on already. So I've chosen to kind of get started with this business card that is part of the Canva library. So once I've chosen the business card and I've updated the name, I've updated the information, changed out the picture, made it custom and personalized, I'm going to go up in the right hand corner here and do export to printcast. That's going to bring this final Canva project into our studio so that we can add some of these additional assets like buttons and videos and analytics. So this is going to just do a quick read of the image that we've put in, just saying like the viability of how well it's going to work. So this comes up great. It says it's excellent overall. It's almost 92%. So we can proceed and go create. So it's going to bring the business card image into our printcast studio. To get in and start using printcast, just at the top here, you'll notice that there's going to be left click controls to rotate the camera, right click controls to pan the camera, and then zoom to zoom the camera. So we've got our image here. So what do we want to add to it? So as part of the freemium version, we have up to 3 images / buttons that we can add in. So I'm going to select there. Let's just go to our image library. Black ones weren't bad. Let's see here. I think I have some that I uploaded that I like at the end. And you can create custom buttons here. Like these are basically just PNG files or JPEGs. So if you have your own custom information that you want to add, then go ahead and do that. So I think in this case, yeah, let's add in a email and phone. There's an email option. I'm going to select that. What we're then presented with is kind of like scaling and moving tools. So to scale down this button, there's an inner gold ring. So I'm just going to click that and drag in, and then I'm going to reposition where that's going to show up. Then I can add a mail to link to add in your email address, so when people click on this, when they're viewing this card in an augmented web browser, then they're able to just have it go and open up their email provider of choice. So that's good. I'm going to add another button here. I think the phone call is great. So again, the scale, there's that inner gold ring. Just going to scale that down, and then I'm just using this green corner tab to kind of move this wherever. Phone number again can be just a regular phone number. And what else? Let's move that around here. So we've got one more button that we're able to use. Let's do the C packages. In this case, this person's a graphic designer. So now we've got that option for the call to action. So we've added C packages here. I would literally just link this to your packages page on your website, or if you have like a direct link to a Shopify store or something like that. That makes it just a lot easier for people to get in and go directly to being able to book something with you. In this case, I actually put in like a Calendly link, so that should open up and people then can directly book with us. So we've got our business card here, you know, we've got our augmented buttons. This looks fine. Let's go and save this. We do need to add one additional thing. We're going to go save and publish just to make it a little bit easier for people to actually use the card. I want to add a QR code because when people see a QR code, they understand what they're supposed to do with that. They know that they have to open up their camera, they're going to scan it, and then it's going to be able to open up this experience for them so that they can see the email button, the call button, and the see packages button. So to get a QR link for this, we're going to go to WorldCAST. We are going to make sure that we are on the right business card. We've got a preview in here, and we've got our link. So I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to get out of here, and then I'm going to go to cast properties. So what we have to do is go select a new file. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but this is going to open up our options to be able to get in and edit on Canva. So by clicking edit on Canva, it brings us right back to our design within our Canva account that we're already signed into. On the left hand side, Canva actually has this option to add a QR code. Click on that. We're going to paste in our URL link and go generate code. It's going to bring up a nice big QR code here that we can resize and we can place on our business card kind of out of the way. So we've got that added in. And also, like, if you actually needed to make edits to your design here, your print design, this is where you go in if you spelled something wrong, if you wanted to change out the image or any information, this is when you would edit that. Then we're just going to go back to export to printcast, and it's going to bring us back into our studio. It's also going to reread the image. You can see our score went up a little bit here, up to 93.7%, because we added that QR code. It just adds a little bit of uniqueness to the actual image so that it's not getting mistaken for another person who's uploaded a business card. So we're just going to go update. It's going to pull through any information that we've added in addition, including that QR code. So now we can go save cast, and we've got this live published version of our business card that is ready for people to preview. You can go and get this printed. People can now use this to book a call directly from your business card. So I've actually got an example card here, and I see I hovered my camera right over top, and it's already got the open in Safari. It's going to take us to portal.worldcast.io, and then it just simply says, hey, just line up the image and tap here to allow media playback. So this one is cool. This one I got the get offer because this guy's an agency owner and he's got something that he wants to give out. We've got the email code, we've got the phone code, and then I even put a video where the picture was. So there's lots of things that you can do if you're really skilled with like an editor like Photoshop or Premiere Pro to be able to get in and add videos or additional assets. But in this case, yeah, like let's see if we hit on the button get offer, or the email button here, and I've got a mail to set up already. So it just automatically like took me to send this person an email. Same with the phone call. Again, we've gone out, we've just gone back in. If there's any way that we can add a phone number button, so it's already set up. I click on that button and it's ready to say, hey, give us a call. So we've added augmented reality to our print materials. And now let's talk about some of the upgrades that we can do. We can, if we want to start tracking things like how many people are clicking through on these packages, how many people are clicking through on our email button, on our social links, like whatever links that we add here, if we want to see views, we do need to upgrade our cast. So to do that, we're going to go to cast properties, and we're going to hit upgrade cast, and we're going to choose the $10 a month option. So again, it's $10 USD, and it comes with unlimited views. So that would be a good use case for a business card, because you've got this printed once, they probably last you a full year, you're handing them out, You want to make sure that you have enough unlocked so that people are able to view this and click through and be able to actually use the augmented reality features that we've added in. So let's take a look at some of the analytic options. So imagine you're an agency owner and you want to be able to implement something like this for your clients. So there's a use case or a need to be able to show that your clients are getting leads, or they're getting click-throughs, or getting emails, whatever. To do that, we're going to go to our WorldCAST or cast list. And in this option here, I've got our actual printed card here loaded. At the bottom, I'm going to go more, and it's going to be able to show us analytics on anything from where in the world people are viewing this, activating this augmented reality card from, to how many views, to daily views, at what time of day people are going in and experiencing this digital print card, and even link clicks in terms of what links they're clicking on and how many people have clicked on that link. So it really gives a good robust option for your clients to experience, and again, for only $10 a month, to be able to activate that and have you use that and use those analytics for your own clients. It's a great option. So again, PrintCast Studio is a great way to integrate your already created Canva designs and add augmented reality. So I hope this was informative and you've come up with some ideas to add augmented reality to your prints.